win anything in there.
When's the Grand National?
I don't
It's
know.
coming
Anyway,
up
what
soon,
are we
I think.
talking about this week?
This week we've been having a flutter on the premium bonds.
Why do you have those?
Well, my dad bought these to me shortly after I was born in the 1970s. It was what men did in those days. Worth £14 to me today. They're essentially a cross between the National Lottery and a savings product. You get entered into a monthly draw. You could win a tax-free cash prize of up to £1 million.
And what are the odds of winning, Claire?
Less exciting, I'm afraid. Currently, 26,000 to 1 is your odds of winning a prize on the premium bonds. From June, that's about to go down to 30,000 to 1. And of course, most people who do win the smaller cash prizes, 25, 50, £100. Do you want to know how much I've won over the last 40 years?
A pound?
Nothing at all.
Nothing at all. But they remain incredibly popular. 21 million people in Britain have them. They were launched in the 50s by Harold Macmillan as a way of filling the government's coffers after the war. They're not really savings, they're debt. You're lending money to the government. You're getting very little back. Do you think there's even an interest rate?
There isn't, is there?
No. You can get 1.25% if you look at the prize rate. On that basis, if you held them for 5 years and you had £1,000 worth, you'd expect to win maybe £10 a year over 5 years. That's not a lot of money. There are lots of better deals out there.
There are. I mean, even a current account, frankly, would probably pay me better interest. And then think of what I've lost in terms of inflation. £14 in 1978, allowing for inflation, should be worth over £70 today. But
And if you cash those in,
well,
you get £14 back.
I would get £14.
So your money was protected, but it would have been better off in the bank.
I probably would have been better off putting it on a horse.
Or under the sofa or something. However, if you have premium bonds, because you're lending money to the government, you might think, well, I could do that in a different way. I could buy gilts, which are the bonds that the government sells to international investors. They're paying 1.4% at the moment.
Better than these.
So are you going to get rid of those and buy something else?
But I might win £1 million.
That's why they remain so popular.